Have you ever fallen in love with a beautiful house plant, brought it home, and then watched it slowly struggle because your room just did not get enough sunlight? If so, you are definitely not alone. One of the biggest misconceptions about indoor plants is that every plant needs bright sunlight to survive. The truth is that many stunning house plants can thrive in low light conditions and still make your home feel fresh, vibrant, and full of life. So, if you have a dark apartment, a windowless bathroom, a shaded bedroom, or simply a room that does not get much direct sunlight, this video is for you. Today I am sharing 15 beautiful indoor plants that can grow without direct sunlight and are perfect for creating a greener, happier room. And make sure you stay until the end because some of the last plants on this list are surprisingly beautiful and incredibly easy to care for. Let's get started. Let's start with the one of the most beginner friendly plant is in the world, the snake plant. This plant is famous for surviving conditions and would challenges many other house plants. Its upright leaves create a clean modern look and then fits almost any interior style. I often recommended snake plants to people who say I love plants but I keep killing them. If you have ever felt that way, this plant might be exactly what you need. The biggest mistake people make is watering it too often. Remember, snake plant prefer a little neglect rather than too much attention. The ZZ plant is another low light champion. Its glossy leaves almost look artificial because they are so shiny and perfect, and this plant is ideal for offices, bedrooms, and dark corners where many plants struggle. And let's be honest, how many of us have an empty corner in our home and that feels boring and lifeless? Sometimes a single ZZ plant can completely transform that space. Pothos is one of the easiest plants you will ever grow, whether it is hanging from a shelf or a cabinet, and instantly adds warmth and softness to the room. One thing I love about pothos is how forgiving it is. Even if you are not an experienced plant owner, this plant gives you room to learn and makes mistakes. Now, have you ever bought a plant because it looked beautiful in the store, only to realize later that your home did not have enough light for it? I think most plant lovers have experienced that at least once. Let me know in the comments because I would love to hear your story. The peace lily is loved for its elegant white flowers and lush green foliage. It can tolerate low light conditions much better than many flowering plants. And what I love most about this plant is the calm feeling it brings to a room. Sometimes plants don't just improve our home, they improve how we feel in our homes. Chinese evergreen are beautiful, colorful, and surprisingly easy to maintain. Their unique leaves pattern make them look much more expensive than they actually are. This is a great choice if you want a decorate plant without needing a lot of sunlight. Spider plants have been popular for generations and for good reason. They are easy to grow, adaptable, and produce baby plants that can be propagated into new plants. If you are someone who enjoys watching your plant collection grow over time, you will love this one. This Beauty is perfect for shelves, desks, and hanging baskets. Its heart-shaped leaves bring softness and a natural beauty into any space. And this is the heart leaf philodendron, and unlike many houseplants, it doesn't demand constant attention. One thing I have learned from growing plants is that success is not about finding the perfect plant, it's about finding the perfect plant for your space. Many people think they have a black thumb, but often the real issue is simply choosing plants that don't match their home lighting conditions. Once you choose the right plant, everything becomes much easier. The next plant is polar palm. This elegant palm has been a favorite indoor plant for decades, and its graceful and texture and movement to a room without requiring direct sunlight. It instantly creates a more relaxed and welcoming atmosphere. Dracena plants are stylish, versatile, and available in many different varieties, and they are perfect for adding heights and structure to your indoor plant collection. As the next plant is cast iron plant, as the name suggests, this plant is incredibly uh, tough, and it tolerates low light and neglect and still maintains its beauty, and this is one of the best plant for busy lifestyle. Aglonema is known for its beautiful foliage and excellent adaptability, and it's one of those plants that quietly makes every room look better. This fern brings a soft lush appearance to indoor space, and also called the bird's nest fern, and its wavy leaves create a texture and visual interest. Next is a lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is simple, elegant, and ideal for small space, and many people love displaying it on desk shelves and side tables. The next is Monstera. Monstera prefer bright indirect sunlight, and they can adapt surprisingly well to lower light conditions, and their dramatic leaves makes them one of the most popular indoor plants in modern home. And finally, the beautiful prayer plant, known for its unique pattern leaves. This plant added character and color to indoor space. It's the perfect plant to finish our list. Now, I would love to hear from you which room in your home gets the least sunlight, and which of these 15 plants would you choose for that space? Tell me in the comments. And remember, having a darker room does not mean you cannot enjoy indoor plants, it simply means you need the right plants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more indoor plants, tips, home decor, inspirations, and easy plant care guides. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay green, and I will see you in the next video.